महाशय धर्मपाल गुलाटी 82 सालों का है। अद्भुत ज्ञान, एक चुटकी में करते हैं शुद्ध मसालों की पहचान। यही तो हैं असली मसालों के सरताज।
Mahashay Dharampal Gulati, the owner of MDH Masale, passed away on December 3rd at the age of 98. He was a living legend and a face that many generations of India will never forget. Popularly known as the Spice King, Gulati came to India from Sialkot with rupees 1500. He left studies at a tender age to help his father in his small spice shop Mahashya Di Hatti. After moving to India post-partition, he purchased a tanga and drove people from one place to another. After saving enough money, he bought a small wooden shop in Delhi's Karol Bagh, where he restarted his family business of ground spices and again raised the banner of Mahashya Di Hatti of Sialkot, Degi Mirch Wale. From this small setup, he slowly and steadily turned his business into a global brand, MDH Masale, a rupees 1,000 crore empire. Besides their stronghold in the Indian market, MDH exports spices to countries across the world, changing the taste buds of their global market. Mahashay Dharampal Gulati was the iconic face of MDH's advertisements and was awarded the Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian award. Known to be a philanthropist who built several hospitals and schools, he was also India's most inspiring entrepreneur. Another inspirational story from the realm of Indian spices is the story of Britain's best-known Indian food brand Patak's. Famous for its curry paste, papadums, chapatis, cooking sauces, pickles and chutneys, Patak's was founded in 1957 by Lakshmi Shankar Gopalji Pathak along with his wife Shanta Pathak. The couple came to Britain in 1950s as a refugee from Kenya and had just £5 in their pocket. They realized potential market for Asian food in London and started producing samosas and spice mixes in the kitchen of their small basement apartment, later saving enough to buy their first shop. Now the business has a factory in Leigh, Lancashire and supplies to about 75% of the 8,000 Indian restaurants in Britain. They export to around 40 countries. Indian spice manufacturers have played a pivotal role in marking the footprints of Indian cuisine across the globe. Their stories will keep inspiring the generations to come.